Good morning, everyone. Dean Howell here from GeoSpatial Connect, and welcome to our Thursday webinar. And our Thursday webinar is our products webinar, and so where you'll discover how to list your products on GeoSpatial Connect and the benefits of doing so. All right, so we conduct these webinars each day. They're only short, 10-15 minutes tops, and on a range of topics. So on Monday is our new member webinar. On Tuesday is our services webinar. Wednesday, job seeker coaching. Thursday, products and projects. And Friday is our business coaching. So if you want to join us anytime on any of those business days, Monday to Friday, here in Adelaide at 8 o'clock. Just check your time zone if you're not in Adelaide for when that starts. But you can, if you're joining in live, then you can join in the chat on the chat and just ask me questions at any point. If you're watching the recording, either here on GeoSpatial Connect or on one of our social media channels, LinkedIn, Google+, Facebook, YouTube, then just drop me an email at dean@geospatialconnect.com, and I'll answer any of your questions about anything related to the site. So today is our products and projects webinar, and we're going to talk about how you promote your product on GeoSpatial Connect and a bit about the features and what they mean to you and your product. Okay, so GeoSpatial Connect was created to help you stand out to a very specific audience. So if you market your product to the geospatial industry, that it's a mapping related product, it's a surveying equipment, it's data, it's services, any of those sorts of things that are related or beneficial to the geospatial industry, even things like migration services and legal services, accounting services, that if you insurance, if you specialize in those sorts of areas to the geospatial industry, then list your products and services here on the website. So GeoSpatial Connect helps you stand out to the right audience at the right time. The biggest thing is that, you know, there's some great sites out there, LinkedIn and Google Plus and all those, and we've got a presence on all of those. But you know, when those sites start to have millions and millions of users, as they do, you tend to get lost amongst the crowd. And we've created this niche this niche platform to help you stand out. Okay, so GeoSpatial Connect is a membership-driven website, and when you first join, in the first 7 days, you get to use the site and try out the features for free. So in those first days, I'd encourage you to add your company profile, add your products and services, add your own profile, put videos up, do everything that you can in those first 7 days. And then once you've figured out the features that you need and how you want to try and use the site, then select one of our very cost-effective membership options. So you can start just being an active member, and an active member gives you access to things like blogging and connecting with other members and commenting on forum posts and things like that for just $5 a month. And then we have a range of more specific membership options. So if you're a job seeker, it's $10 a month. If you're a merchant, so if you're wanting to try and sell your product or service, then it's just $15 a month, and you can list as many products and services as you like. We'll help you promote them through webinars, through newsletters, through a whole range of features on our website. If you're an employer who is looking for people, then a very cost-effective way to list your vacancy, search the resumes for just $25 a month, and then our ultimate membership for $30 a month, where you might be needing a number of those facilities across the site, and you can upgrade and downgrade your membership as required each month. You don't have to, if you are a job seeker this month and you get a great job and then you move into a marketing role, and you can upgrade to the merchant membership, or if you then just find that you just want to stay active on the website, you can downgrade to the active membership. So select the membership that's right for you, and it helps to maintain the site, it helps us to keep it going, it helps for us to promote you. Okay, so what are some of the features of GeoSpatial Connect that can help you promote your product? And that's the whole purpose of today's webinar, is to discuss how to promote your product on GeoSpatial Connect. So we have a whole range of features and functions on the website, and we'll just go through some of them in a little more detail. And so first and foremost, GeoSpatial Connect is a business networking website. So you can connect with the various people on the website, befriend them and add them to your network, whether they're in the same geographic region or whether they're potential clients for your products or services. So connect with people on the website. The next, we have our blogging section, and many people underrate the power of creating a blog and listing information. The blogging section, surprisingly, is our most visited pages on GeoSpatial Connect. So people are really interested in reading about the information that's being listed, and so for promoting your product or service, then create a blog that indirectly promotes you and your product. So don't just be out there and just having it as another marketing page. Talk about, like, get testimonials from clients, or talk about how you've used your product for a client in a certain environment, or talk about those projects, talk about how it benefited them, and then at the end of that article, then tell them that you've got this U-Butte product that can help them in the same way. We've got a company section, so when you first join, add your company profile to that. Invite people from your company to join the website as well, and then create your own corporate network here on GeoSpatial Connect for all those company members, and you can then use it to keep everyone informed about things. We have a jobs and resume section, so if your company is looking for people, you can list your jobs and search the resumes, or if you happen to be looking for a job, you can do the same on those two sections. We have an events section, so you can list your upcoming events. So if you're going to be at a conference or at a trade show, you can inform people that that's coming up, or if you're having your own product launch, you can list that there. You can create a group for your product or service, or as I mentioned, you could create a company group, so you can keep in touch with all the people who are at your company through GeoSpatial Connect. And the biggest feature for merchants is our classified section. So in the classified section, you can list your products and services, and list as many as you want, under as many categories as you like, to get your product out there. But as I said, the classified section isn't visited as much as the blogging section. So make sure you create your blog, add details which then point people to the classified section, or point people to the products that you sell. Alright, so use the classified section to your advantage to have a cross section of marketing options, and that's where I'm sort of suggesting where it's a big point of difference in our website is that, you know, if you go into eBay, which is a great site, then you're hoping that people will be searching for your specific product. Whereas on our website, yep, you can list your product similar to the way that eBay allows you to. But you can create a blog, create a company profile, and do all those sorts of things that actually help promote you in an overall sense. We also then have a range of multimedia options. So if you've got a YouTube video, then link your YouTube video on the website. Once again, create a blog and embed that video. You can upload videos, you can upload photos and images, you can upload audio, you can upload your brochures in the file section. You can create a forum and discuss specific things. Say you're a software vendor, you can create a discussion around your software. And we have a chat section. So you can chat with people both using video and using text chat. So take advantage of all of those features to promote your product and service. So as I said, GeoSpatial Connect is a membership-driven website. So sign up for the membership that is going to be most beneficial to you, and it, as I said, it helps keep the website going. It helps us maintain the services and improve them for you as time goes on. So if you have any questions today, just type them into the chat, and I'll be happy to answer them right now. If you don't, then or you're watching the recording, then drop me an email at dean@geospatialconnect.com, and I'll be happy to answer them anytime. All right, so hopefully you found that video webinar today some beneficial. So use all the features of the site to promote your product and your service, and get active on the site and be involved. And that's the best way. As people see you being active, then they'll investigate you further. So have a great day. I look forward to catching up with you on future webinars. Remember, tomorrow is our business coaching webinar, and then next week, once again, our new member webinar, services, job seeker coaching, products and projects, and business coaching on each of the weekdays here in Adelaide. All right, so have a great day. I look forward to catching up with you again soon. Okay, bye for now.